Howdy, folks. Which remote control is it you want? I know, it's this brand new original Samsung remote control. We have it in stock. We could ship it out to you today. That's because we have over 300,000 brand new original remotes in our warehouse ready to ship. And all you have to do, folks, is go right below the video, click on the link, and that'll take you directly to one of our order pages. Just fill out that order page and your remote will ship out to you today. That's again because we have over 300,000 remotes in our warehouse. Folks, we want you to save some money on this order, so when you get to the end of checkout and there's a space that says enter coupon code, just type in the word remote and the number 5 and you'll save $5 off the order. And also, so you can shop with complete confidence, folks, we do have a 30-day, no question asked, no hassle return policy for a full refund. Folks, it's that simple. Go below the video, click on the link, order the remote control, and have it ship out right away, or call the 800 number on your screen to speak with a friendly, knowledgeable operator. And folks, I can't thank you enough for shopping with electronicadventure.com.